ba?
Hi! Cancer awareness week!
Gawin ng sundo yan.
Ulo lang nakalabas.
Pink na pink!
Party in pink.
Hi guys, it's a Friday and today meron tayong Zumba with FTK. So we're now here at Al Jazeera Mall. The Pink Ladies. And mukha akong bagong gising. Good morning.
Wow!
Hi.
Morning! Morning! Hello!
Sinasabi ka?
Ano, may chingko na to. Ah, may piso na to.
No recording, no recording.
Hello, Kitty.
Good morning.
Hello, Kitty.
Nabuhay ang mga pink ribbon. Madam President in pink.
So, ano mo naman, picture mo naman yung Sunday ko.
Akin na yan, libre yan ha.
Hindi ang libre.
Ay, hindi pala. Sa'yo pala yan. Oh, ayan. Thank you. Wow. Sumbang-sumba.
Marami si Tita Rachel.
Yeah.
Sexy, oh.
Ito tayo. Uy, kailangan na
Naman doon.
Oh, solo. Magbawiin daw ang tumbler pag hindi kasali sa vlog.
Dapat na sa may background ng ano.
Pink lady.
Hoy, Din.
Hoy!
Kayo dyan. Andyan kayo.
Yeah, wala sila.
Wala sila.
Pwede pumasok dito.
You remember siguro yung mga...
Ito lang.
Pero my message today is about...
Hoy, mag-zumba ka doon.
Ito, walang tinapay.
Hindi.
Ano meron? Tinapay pa.
FDKSA in support for Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Yeah! Galaw! Break time. Hi. Where's ate? Huh? I don't know. YMC?
Nagutom sa warm up.
Wala na yung warm up. Binalik na.
Expired na yung exercise na gabi. Orange juice?
Plain ba yan, Doc?
Hindi. Hindi yan coffee plain.
Hindi, coffee to.
Hindi yan coffee juice.
Kaya nga.
Hindi masarap siya.
Natagtag. Yung pinto lang, parada. Thank you, Doc.
Picture ko na kami. Picture ko na. Hindi, yung ano po. Dala mo yung bag ko. Yan, yan, yan. Pati yung picture ano daw. Yung toothpaste yan. Number 50.
Lower!
Janine.
Kamusta kami? Sulit na ba? Sulit na ba yung link?
Pawis na si Ryan.
Yes!
Hindi ko naman siya nakikita.
Sa likod ako, paano mo ako makikita?
Number 1.
Woo!
They will be having an event for a cause for earthquake victims on 31 October, same place. So October, please. Same time? 5, 4 to 6.
4 to 6, 4 to 6.
4 to 6, 31 October, for a cause for earthquake victim. 31 October. Okay? O, nakatag na yung mga mukhang yan.
Yes, everyone. Don't forget, everyone. At the end of this month, October 31, Friday, 4 to 6 p.m. po, magkakaroon po kami ng tayo. Join us po, magkakaroon tayo ng charity event proceeds will go to the victims of earthquake in Cebu and Davao. And hopefully one of here also local nagbibigay po tayo ng tulong. So yun, see you guys.
Alright! Cool down.
And you can find me also on YouTube account, Dance Fitness TV. My YouTube account, Dance Fitness TV. And Dance to the Beat, Facebook account. Alright? So mga ito po. Okay, let's go! Everyone, please join us. Kung mahalaga yung warm-up, mas mahalaga po yung cool down. Everyone stand up, let's go! Let's do the cool down, everyone. Stand up, everyone.
Para sa mga pink fighter.
Hi guys, we're done our Zumba. We're a few inches later.
Para sa ating grand raffle prize. Number 8. Number 8. Dok Russell! Ay, give or take.
Wow, nice.
Ay, kasya sa kanya. 3, 4.
Talaga?
Sabi ko sa'yo eh! Validate nga. Wala ka salamin eh.
Arianax!
Ayan, kayo na. Ako na mag-validate. Oh, give or take. FDK kayo. Take daw, take. Congratulations, 1 month supply.
Ay, baliktad. Anong kaguluhan yan?
Uuwi kami ng maraming tubig.
Magdilipit kami.
Salamin yan, salamin. Salamin.
Asan yung tumbler natin?
Ay, dito sa akin.
Nasa akin na.
Complete.
Nasa akin na.
Hindi tayo uwi ng walang tumbler.
Yan yung dito sa akin. Thank you.
Yeah!
For sure.
Pati na yung itsura ng tumbler. I got it. I got it. Thank you, Aryan.
Open.
Open. Thank you, Doc Aryan.
Me too.
Wow, pink. $500,000.
Thank you, Doc Aryan. Tapos nahulog. Thank you so much. Mama.
Oh.
Me too. Thank you very much for Dr.
Lochi?
Grace.
Grace?
Dr. Grace Dunaisi for giving me this one. This is free for me.
Don't forget.
Sponsored by Dr. Grace Dunaisi. Thank you so much, Doki.
Okay, it's uwian time and maglalakad kami kasi close yung main entrance. So dito kami sa parking lot lalabas. Yeah! Becky!
Oh my gosh, hindi na ako ano.
Zumba pa more! Bakit wala? Gusto ko sabay-sabay tayo.
Ay, wala eh. Pwede ka maikantong.
11,
Okay.
12.
Bilang tayo ng pamasahe.
Ito na lang ang aming pamasahe.
Magkano?
13.
13?
Minutes. Yeah. Kasi lang. See? Mayroon pa tayong team. Wala pa kaming driver.
Hi guys, I'm home. So tapos na kami mag-lunch. And magpa-power nap muna tayo. And then later, maglalaro tayo PS5. So,